All right, how's it going? Hope everybody's having a good day today. Man, these storms, they're mainly like in the Midwest and the Northeast, okay? And there's some out in the Rockies. For example, like Las Vegas, I don't know if you can see behind me, but over the last couple of days, we had winds between the 40 and 70 miles an hour here in Las Vegas, okay, with little pieces of hail. In fact, it was alleged it snowed in Summerlin, but the snow here in the Vegas Valley area, it only lasts maybe like for a few hours and then it's gone. Next thing you know, okay, like it'll snow around the mountains as if you've been into this area before. Vegas is just a large valley, okay, surrounded by mountains. Like usually, like for example, towards like California, if you're facing north when you go to the valley, those mountains they snow, particularly like in the northwest where Mount Charleston is. And they got hunting, they got skiing, they got cabins up there, all that stuff. It's only like 40 miles away from Las Vegas. Okay, so this storm has affected states, several states in many ways. Okay, so I hope that you stocked up on a few things because my understanding is there's been even in here in Las Vegas there's been people without power. Okay, so you want to have those necessary vital items you need, preferably maybe a generator, water, okay, uh, some things that can hold you over for a couple of days, okay. So I'm gonna be talking about a couple of things, so y'all stay tuned. But yeah, this storm has affected 60 million people. Like they've got snow in areas even where where it's snow, used to snow. Places like Michigan or I don't know, northern Ohio, Wisconsin, that are experiencing a certain type of weather that's have never been experienced before. Okay, I'm trying to think like Pennsylvania, upstate New York. Okay, I made an article about that. So let me know what you think about the video and stay tuned. We'll talk about something else. I want to talk about probably more than likely why men are not working. Okay.